this. We're gonna have dinner. Say hi. Hi vlog. We're here sa penthouse. Say hi. Yes. So fun! May kasama ka din. Guys, our food is here. Hey guys, where tayo? Dito sa may Sampa. Dun. We are walking in the field. In the field! Guys, ayan siya. Just for 95. Like this big. Tapos with like meat from actual mangoes. Wow, we're here ngayon sa Anelas. Like, daming tao. Just stop! Hi guys, we're pre-moving out. Say hi to my vlog. Hindi mo nang tumingin. Gonna miss this. We got our stuff fixed for today. This is our stuff. It's fixed. It's pre-moving out kasi hindi pa talaga move out. Medyo madami siya. Pero sa ano lang naman kami. Malapit na. That's like mag-i-drive na lang kami papunta. But yeah. You can miss this. I'm gonna bring you guys there. Papunta na kami. Pero mag-i-drive muna. Going there. Because I gotta go to QC to get some of my stuff. And the stuff we need there. Kasi may stuff ako doon. So, see you guys.
Turn left onto M. De La Fuente Street.
Moving in, guys. Hi vlog. We have officially moved in to our new place. Say hi, baby. We have officially moved in. So this is it. I'm cute yung view niya, guys. That's cute. Very cute. See, look at that view. That's Espana. Our stuff. So ayan, I'm gonna go back sa QC later to pick up some stuff like the mattress and everything. Tapos mga other stuff na kailangan pa. Tapos, ayan. I'll see you guys later. Guys, gonna buy some. Mag-guard na ako. Tatay. Dala na ako. At McDonald's. Got McDonald's. Hey guys, we're having McDo again. I got McDo.
Nagihilap na kami.
Dala kaming table. We eat. Hi guys, pabalik akong QC to get our other stuff and my stuff. So yung may dalawang eco bag. Mag-angkas mo ako. I'll be very happy. Hi guys, naka-move in na kami. We're gonna have dinner. Say hi. We're gonna have dinner kasi pagod kami mag-food. I got cheesy bacon, egg something. That's ano ite. Hungarian sausage. Something. Nandito kami sa may Grand Resto. Tapos ang cute. Ito para silang may loft type cafe. It's still 1 AM sila. Tapos this is just 129 ata? Okay, I'm gonna try. 139 pala, sorry. With iced tea. Okay, we're gonna try this food. Mag-edit ako mamaya sa ng videos. Bago lang to. Yung pang last one. Pero dyan ako mag-edit naman sa phone. So, bilis. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Cheesy something. Cheesy bacon. Yeah, too cheesy. Kinda too cheesy, but it's good. Ano siya? Hi vlog, we're here sa penthouse. Say hi. Say hi. Look at the view. Ay, ayaw mag-focus.
I like the view. You're my best.
The view is Espanya. Cute tong penthouse guys. Tapos tingnan nyo, like ganyan siya. Tapos may gym. Very cute. Common area to. So yan, very cute. Kasi yan lang siya. Yup. Very cute. Hi guys! We're gonna go to drink. What? Hi vlog. So, inom kami today. Inom ba siya ko? Inom kami today. We're gonna go here. Kasi kakamubi lang natin. We're gonna meet with their friend. We're gonna meet with their friend Karina. Here at 3S if you know. Tapos we have also some friends over. Sila Crisol and Jeremy. So yeah. It is.
Hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hello, ma'ams. We are here, mga ma'ams.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Fully ma'am.
Nakakawala ng
Fully
branding,
ma'am.
ma'am. Hindi talaga makapunta
Hello, mga ma'ams.
Forget ma'am.
Ma'am! Ang asim dun, ma'am.
Hindi na ako dog.
Diyan o sa gilid.
Hi vlog, we're gonna have lunch. Ken, say hi. We're gonna have lunch. We're here at the one. We're there. Hi guys. Meron kaming field trip today. Punta kami. Mag-ferry kami papuntang Mandaluyong. Hey guys, we're at the station. Because we're gonna ride the ferry. We're gonna ride the ferry. So fun! Say hi, Bax. We're gonna ride the station. The ferry. Guys, nakasakay na kami sa ferry. So fun! Nandito kami sa likod. And this is free. Ito yung mga stops niya. This is free, guys. So fun! First time namin dalawa.
Guys, we arrived here in Guadalupe Station and now we're gonna ride and drive.
Hello mga ma'am, good morning. I just woke up, gumimi kami kagabi. And now I'm out to do some errands kasi I'm gonna attend the video and I have to find buy clothes and buy a gift. So, okay guys. Hey guys, having lunch. Here's the one sa Espanya. Teriyaki burger for free. Guys, teriyaki burger for free.
Nila wala sa ibang convenience store.
Ay, alam ba 100?
Walang kumok. May chicken burger. So good, guys. Muro. 59 cents. May kasama ka din. Ba't may kasama? Naiwan. Naiwan yung kanin. 59 lang po.
Kakasara lang last year.
Parang mo. Hi guys. Welcome to our new life. Welcome to our new
Ganyan
life.
ba, bagong buhay mo, nakababa na yung video.
Oo,
Nahiya ka.
maganda. Ay! Ako pala. Hi vlog! Guess where we're going today? Say hi. Hi bitch. So, okay, nag-vlog. Kala ko di ka na naman na-record eh. We're gonna go to James and Chet sa may Picampa. Sa may Picampa, we're gonna have dinner. We're walking.
Susunod na mag-aantay pang maluto.
Oo nga eh. Sana wala masyadong tao. Ayan.
Para pag puno.
See you there! Transition the joke. Hi guys, we're at Picampa na. Sobrang dami tao. We're gonna go to James and Chet. Yeah. Okay. We go. Bye guys. Guys, our food is here. Our food is here. Kinantay lang namin rice. Pero 250 lang po lahat. Oh, there it is. Guys, we're gonna eat. Gutom na siya. Isaw. Ano isaw? Try mo yung akin. I got hot dog, pork barbecue, tsaka chicharon ko lang. Is it good? Okay.
Para kayo na lang hindi prito.
Siguro.
Sarap na.
What? Hey guys, we're tayo dito sa may Sampa. Malapit dito sa Lakay. Tapos we're having yogurt. Show the yogurt. Ano lang to?
Mang Tomas.
Mang Thomas. How much is that? Ay, ano siya? 54 pesos.
54,000.
That's good. Mas hindi kasi ng advertisement. Like, ayan siya. Tapos nakalagay like 49. Nakalagay 49 guys. Tapos di pala 49. 100 plus daw yun. Tapos like mali ko ba? Pero yan. It's good. Try nyo dito.
Ay, tower ba?
Ito? With my makeup today kasi I'm running a few errands with Ryan. Kasi may mga gagawin daw siya. And we're gonna go to him. We're at UST right now. So, see you guys. Hey guys. We're having lunch. Say hi. We're having lunch here at Bonchon sa UST Car Park. Okay, let's eat. Let us eat. Nag-order ako ng ano, Bonchon Yum Yum. Which is this. So, hear mo. Ito ang masarap.
Hindi yun.
May extra sauce.
Ha?
May extra sauce. Ooh, see that sauce?
Hindi.
Let us try. Okay. It's good. Bonchon. Hey guys! We are walking. Uy. Punta kami ng dun. We are walking in the field. In the field!
Sabihin ko may ano dito.
What's your outfit today?
Trespasser.
Trespasser ka siya. Parang labo ng camp. Okay, we walk. Hey guys, we're at UST Museum.
Tingnan nyo. Ito, wow! Look at this, guys. Gonna look around here. Guys, look at this. What the heck? Tapos hanggang dun siya sa dulo. What the heck? Why is it so long? Look at this. Hi guys, we're gonna go to town to buy some plants. We're gonna buy plants. Hey guys, dito kami sa binibila namin mango graham shake. Sikat siya dito sa Dapitan. It's called Love Life. Tapos in-order namin yung mango supreme. Ayan. Itong yung 95. Tapos, nakalimutan ko ng street siya. Pero USD yan. Mood and Coffee. Pag nakita niyan. Tapos yung Army Navy sa Dapitan nandiyan. Basta itong street siya. Whatever street this is. Katapat ng Parkway Residentes. Okay, I'll show you guys later. Hey guys, so I got it. This is called Mango Supreme. May meeting si Ryan. I'm gonna try.
Pero dalawa lang naman yung nakalagay dun sa ano niya, sa label bar.
Nice, right? This is so good. Wait. Guys, ayan siya. Just for 95. Like this big. Tapos with like made from actual mangoes. Wow. Tapos ayun graham, may like graham balls, marshmallow. Tapos like, tawag dito? Sticko. Ay, sticko? Sticko ba? Rate. Ayan, hinawakan na hindi na niya bibigay sa akin. Oh my gosh! Mango graham stealer. Okay, we're gonna go to Dangwa after kasi I wanna buy some plants ulit kasi I also need pots for my succulents. Here, okay. Hey guys, we're at Dangwa. Walking dun sa plant shop na binibilang ko. Very cute. Hi guys, I'm back here sa binibilang ko ng succulents. Very cute. Ryan is there. Yan, sobrang cute. Just 25 lang each. Very cute here. I love it. Sa may Dangwa lang to. Go support them guys. Joke lang, gatekeep ko to. Guys, so what our food? Nandito kami sa Dapitan. I forgot kung saan banda. Saan banda to, baby? It's called shawarma sa Dapitan. Tapos, ito siya. This is 100 lang. And it's so good. Hindi yan usually in-order namin kasi wala siya. We usually order overload boneless fried chicken. Kasi ito yung binili kong succulent. I just bought one. Kasi pinigilan ako nila yan. Pero may flowers, ang cute. 25 pa rin siya, pati pot for 25. Okay, we're gonna eat now. 100 lang to guys. Let's try. It's good. Hi vlog! We're back home. Tapos ngayon ayusin ko yung plants ko. So this is my new baby. Look at that! Look at that guys. Meron na siyang flowers. Tapos I got... Ito makalat yung soil niya. I got this. I got 3 pots. Kasi currently I have 3 pots. Guys, ay nag-vlog ako. We're gonna go to look for a fish. We're gonna look for a betta. Paano ko tempo po sa YouTube? Hey guys, we're having egg waffle. Egg waffles. Sa labas namin. Kasi we're gonna go look for a betta fish. Kasi I've been wanting. Okay, we're gonna eat. Bumili kami now. Ito, tapos fish balls. Guys, we got mais con hielo. Here lang sa Espanya.
Kabila check.
How is the taste?
Kabila check niya. Single lang.
Sarap ng leche flan. Dito lang siya. Sa Espanya. Trip Macdo. Okay, bye. Hey guys, naging food trip nata tong fish finding ano namin. We're here ngayon sa Anellas. Like, sikat ata siya, I think, sa Espanya. Parang nagbenta sila ng mga leche flan. Tapos ito yung sikat dati. I mean, till now. Nandito siya sa Espanya mismo. Like, it's called Anellas. Tapos yun yung donut sila. Naging food trip na. Pero, this mais con yellow is so good. Tapos 40 lang to. Tapos may kasama ng leche flan sa taas. Okay. We're gonna buy. Diba? Give me your rating. Milky
8.
cheese donut for 5 pesos. Give me your rating.
8.
Guys, ang sarap. Like, parang matigas siya. Pag hinawakan mo. But it's really soft when you bite it. It's so good. Ba't naging food vlogger na ako? Okay. We're gonna go to the fish store. Nandito tayo ngayon. Hey guys! We're here. I'm with Kusal and Danny. And Danny from Marilao. And ngayon, babalik kami dun sa donut place. We're walking here sa Espanya. Tapos, uy, ang ganda ng Jollibee dito. May upuan sa labas. Guys, nandito na kami. Say hi. Nandito, hello mga kalukals. Nandito kami ulit sa Anellas. Ayan. Ayan, madami sila binibenta, guys. Ayan. Ano sa inyo? Ano sa'yo?
Pilipin na lang siya.
Pinig sa'yo. Sa akin yung chest. Ayan, guys. Contact natin. Ikaw pa rin pinipit ko. Guys. Yung taong to? O dito may diretso na tayo. Doon na tayo tumawid sa Noval. Sarap guys. Nasaan doon na? Ano sa'yo?
Pilipin.
Pakita. Pa-try.
Kakain yung plastic. Tawid na oh.
Ay, Diyos ko. Dami, Diyos ko. Hi vlog, we are now in here in Shiburat Crossing, Espanya, Manila. So right now we're walking here. What can you say about life? Maghanap tayo ng mga may interview natin today at si Danny ang maging interview. Si Rizal. Ayan. Kasi tayo ng bagong ating challenger for today. Ayan. Saan tayo tatawid? Pwede ba itong side na lang tayo? Ayan. Stop na ba? Pwede na ba? Pwede ba diba? So pwede pa. Pwede ito na natin. Yung nilipuan sila diba sabi nila? Guys, ito tumatawid kami ngayon sa tao. If alam nyo to guys, the oldest building on the Cornelius Street of the Philippines, of the Manila of the Quezon City, Espanya, Manila.
Kaya nila Julia, yung masakyan na kasalito sa atin. Asal saan?
Talagang napaka-dress sila ng manyan. Ang ginagaw ikaw, okay ka lang kaya naman ako umul. Silbo mo to, silbo mo to. Silbo mo ma'am, silbo mo ma'am. So ito, lalagot ako sa sarong dahil siya hindi ko kumakain at hindi pa ako kumakain. Ano ako sa dinner. Hindi ka kumakain yan. Diyos ko, wasak na naman kami. Baka hindi na mabuksan yung dito namin. Sa penthouse ako magsulog mga meow. Ano ito, ito, ito. Are you from here? Ito naman. Ito naman. Recording. Grabe man. Hindi ko vlog. Baby, ito kasi ito. Okay, ilang minutes ko lang. 2 minutes na. Dito naman natin. 2 minutes of vlog ko. Okay, kanta natin. Hey guys, I'm walking alone in Manila. Here in Espanya in Manila. Mag-isa lang ako sa tapa ko mag-vlog. Ba't pa lang sa loob ko today? Mukha akong mag-baliw na nag-iyak dito mag-isa. Tapos may flash ako. Tapos ayan. Diba? Okay, balik na ang condo. Hi vlog! I'm back sa condo. I had class kanina. May in-order ako, unbox natin. I got a mop. Tingnan natin. E-mop. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, the same na siya ng mop. Ang dali lang pala ilagay nito. Okay. Ito na ba yun? So, ito na siya.
Look who's here. Flex.